In today's video, I am going to teach you how to display coordinates on cursor in AutoCAD. This quick setup makes it much easier to see exactly where your cursor is in the drawing area, which is helpful for precise placement. Measuring and verifying positions without constantly checking the status bar. First, let's turn on dynamic input. This is the feature that shows command prompts and coordinate readouts near your crosshairs. The fastest way to toggle it is by pressing F12 on your keyboard. When dynamic input is on, you should notice small tooltips appear next to the cursor as you move around or start a command. If you press F12 again, it turns off. So if you don't see anything at first, press F12 once and move the cursor to confirm. If your function keys are locked on your keyboard, you may need to hold your function modifier to activate F12. Now, let's make sure the coordinates are always visible at the cursor. Type DS on your keyboard and press Enter to open the Drafting Settings dialog. This is where AutoCAD keeps many of its drawing aids and input options. Switch to the Dynamic Input tab so we can focus on the on-screen prompts. Inside this tab, look for the Pointer Input section. Click the button labeled Settings to open the detailed options for how the input appears next to your crosshairs. In the Visibility options, select Always. This ensures the coordinate readout remains present as you move the cursor, not just when a command is active. Then, enable the Coordinates option so the X and Y values display in real time at the cursor location. After that, confirm your changes and close the dialogs. Back in the drawing area, move your cursor and watch the coordinate values update live. These values reflect your drawing units and will track your cursor position precisely. As you work with tools like Line or Polyline, you'll see how the coordinates help you align and place points with confidence. If you are working in 3D, you may also see a Z value when appropriate. A couple of quick tips as you use this, because F12 toggles dynamic input. If the tooltips ever disappear, press F12 to bring them back. Also, the Always setting is great for learning and for accuracy checks because you can constantly verify where you are without interrupting your workflow. That's it. Thanks for watching.